Let's be honest, most pants, they fall short. They're too weak, they're too baggy, they're too stiff, they're just another pair of pants. But these, the mother of all britches, they earned their namesake. This is a testament to American craftsmanship, to obsessing over building the best products on planet Earth right here in America, and years of research and development. So let's break down why the Moab pants are your next best pair of pants. Let's talk craftsmanship first. Most brands make their pants overseas using cheap labor and weak materials. Not here. The Moab pants are 98% American-grown cotton. America produces the best cotton in the world, and that's not just propaganda, it's a fact. We export our cotton because it's so good to all these other countries because they want to use it. It has the longest and strongest fibers to build the most robust and strongest product. Every edge on these Moab pants are precision cut by laser to give you a good clean line. No bulk in the edges or where the seams come together that can rub and cause discomfort when you're wearing them. Key stress points are bar tacked for reinforcements like here on the back pockets. You've got a brass button, not plastic. And to go along with that, you have a beefy YKK metal zipper. Again, not some flimsy plastic zipper. The Moab pants are built to last, to handle whatever you throw at it in your everyday or at work. We promise they'll never fail you. We hope you wear them out, and we wish you luck doing it. Next, let's talk performance. Gear shouldn't hold you back, and the Moabs certainly don't do that. Because they have that 2% spandex in them mixed with that 98% cotton, you've got great stretch. You can run, jump, kneel, squat, just carry about your day and not worry about restriction and immobility here. Now let's talk innovation. Da Vinci once said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And the Moabs have a ton of innovation in them, hidden in plain sight. Thoughtful and sophisticated. Starting at the top, we have a performance waistband. What this allows for is good stretch. So if you're tucking in your shirt or you're in a high mobility activity, you've got good comfort there. It also provides just a little bit of build here if you're carrying tools on your belt, and it also prevents that waistline baconing out like a lot of other cheap pants do. Coming down, you have a nice swooped pocket design here. That allows you to reach your keys, your wallet, your key card down in the pocket, but it's scooped in such a way that it won't fall out if you sit down in your truck or your car. Moving around to the back, you've got our trademarked shark fin pocket. The back pocket is angled to the outside just slightly, so when you reach around to access your wallet or cell phone, you have a nice ergonomic movement that's comfortable, yet still retains your gear. Also on the back, you have a reverse yoke. This is what Origin is known for. You see this in the Delta denim. You see this in our jiu-jitsu pants. You see this in almost all of our other pants. This allows for that perfect fit. It maps your body perfectly. This is innovation proven over decades of R&D. And to round it all out, we have a gusseted crotch. This is so when you bend over or you find yourself in a high motion activity, you don't blow out that crotch. Let's talk wearing occasions. This is actually the strength of the Moab pants, and this is why we call them the mother of all britches, because it doesn't matter what you're doing in life, these pants are built for it. Whether it's a date night, whether it's business casual, whether you're hunting, doing some yard work, these pants can handle it. They're built to handle it all, let alone all the colors we offer and the fit and finish. These pair well with virtually anything, from work boots to dress-up boots, to button-down shirts to t-shirts to hoodies. The Moab pants just look good no matter what you're wearing them with. When we launched the Moab pants in February of 2024, we had no idea what the response was going to be, and you guys blew us away. We sold out in 3 hours. Thousands of units flew off the shelves, and we struggled for 6 months to keep it in stock. But now, going into 2025, we have a dedicated line in our North Carolina facility making this product 5 days a week, all year long, putting Americans to work. The Moab pants are a new American classic. We know you're gonna love them. They do not disappoint.